Hello everyone, we are at InvestCavs and I'm having here David, who is co-founder of Fintokei.
Hello everyone, thanks for the invitation. Thanks for having me.
My first question is actually about Fintokei. You called Fintokei as a prop evaluation firm. What does it mean?
Well, it means a combination of the two words. Our main focus is on evaluating traders and on educating them and helping them become better. We also do a proprietary part of it, which means copying the best trading signals out of them on our own money. But that's not everything, and we kind of try to be different than or call ourselves differently than just an ordinary prop firm, because we do much more. Beside the evaluation and the prop part, we also monetize the data from all the traders, and we also can connect the best ones with the investors through our portfolio management company. So there's a whole lot of things that we can use the trading data for, and that's why we believe we are different than majority of the competitors.
What's interesting about Fintokei is that it actually started in Japan. Why so?
Because Japanese didn't know the concept of evaluation or prop trading firms at all. It's still a very early stage over there, and even though we already have thousands of customers, it's just a tiny part of the whole trading community. And we believe we can improve their life. We can introduce the concept to a much wider audience over there. So that's why we chose Japan as the first step. And that's also why Fintokei has kind of a Japanese name.
And what were the biggest challenges you've been facing?
Probably two. One, I already mentioned, that is that people don't know the concept. It's very new, maybe even dangerous or scammy for them. So we have to educate the market and explain them how it works, what benefits it brings to any trader, as a matter of fact. And secondly, a similar issue with reputation and trustworthiness, because we are a foreign company and Japanese are not so much keen on trying new and foreign stuff. So we really have to take it step by step and build our trust, build the relationship with local business partners slowly, and grow in a slower pace than maybe we could be growing in some other market.
Mm-hmm. And after a successful couple of months in Japan, Fintokei expanded to Europe. If you can compare Japanese traders and European traders, are there any differences or?
Well, from our business perspective, here prop trading or evaluation trading concept is much known, mostly in Western Europe or UK or even Czech Republic. So we don't need to explain people what we do. Also, another difference is in age. Prop trading is mainly popular among young traders, and we can see that a lot of our customers, a lot of our even successful traders are pretty young ones. Back in Japan, majority of our customers is around 30, 40 years old, and the younger generation only now is starting to getting into financial markets, starting to invest in stocks. And probably within a few years, we expect that a big part of them will also start with trading. So it will be good for us to be there and help them to learn more about trading and more about the opportunities they will have.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Recently, you just came from business trip in Japan. Now we are in the biggest trading expo in Europe, InvestCavs. What are the next plans?
Well, here in Poland, we have a similar position than in Japan. Here, the evaluation and prop trading concept is also not much known. So we want to expand it and explain and educate the market over here. But not only that, we, after entering Czech market and some other European markets, we are now very soon to launch the global expansion in terms of starting to accept customers from pretty much all around the world, and from sharing the voice about Fintokei being open to traders from anywhere, because that was the core mission, right? We want to help traders irrespective of their financial or educational background. If they have the skills and the discipline that is necessary for good trading, we are there to help them.
Speaking of traders, what they can look for in terms of Fintokei and the product?
In terms of product, a lot of stuff that we plan to introduce this year. Beside the platforms, that is a hot topic in the whole prop industry. And we, of course, are continuing in the development in this regard by introducing C-Trader very soon. And there is one more project that we are working on that is connected to TradingView. So that's a little teaser about that. And beside platforms, we also plan to introduce 2 new products that will be more related to the education and maybe to the more beginning traders who would like to enter the prop trading space. So these will be probably the two most important news that are coming.
Great. Thank you for the interview.
Sure, no problem.